One day, Gus, that'll be you, soaring through the big blue.
It's so high, Bolt, and I'm so papery.
My foot! It's stuck! I can't reach my release lever! How do I fly to that lever? I needed a push! A launch! I needed thrust! The air moving under my wings, it was holding me up. Lift! Are you okay? Don't worry about me.
I was scared. For me, my fear didn't matter anymore.
Too much drag. I was tumbling. I need to be more stable.
Thrust, lift, drag, weight. It wasn't just about pushing off. It was about balance.
You're doing it, Gus! You flew! You really flew! You saved me! We did it, Bolt! We figured out how to fly!